So today I will be showing you how I do a DIY aloe vera treatment. So I just have these two pieces of aloe vera here that I cut earlier. And then I'm just going to take the skin off and show you my method. I will be combining it with probably about a tablespoon of avocado oil. And then I'm going to let that sit in my hair overnight. To add about a tablespoon of some avocado oil to it, and I don't know if I will need water, but if I do, then I'll add some spring water to it. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more avocado oil, just to make this a little bit more. But like, I think this should be good for my whole hair, and maybe I don't even need to add any more aloe vera oil, but like avocado oil. But I'm just gonna do it. Just gonna do it, and it actually mixes in well. Ooh, look at it! It's so cool. Okay, I'm excited to try this hair mask. Ooh, it's so cool. All right, so we are gonna go and apply this now. Hey guys, so I am back with a DIY tutorial using aloe vera as a hair mask, and this is the natural aloe from the aloe leaf. So I already showed you guys how I made this, and now I'm gonna apply it. So this is just a mixture of aloe vera and avocado oil. And then to my roots, I will be adding this oil right here, and this is the Benjamin's castor oil with pimento, and I really love this oil. Like, I personally love the smell. I just think the pimento, I don't know, I just think it smells so nice. So this is what I'll be using, and then I'm gonna be sleeping with this overnight. I'm just gonna be using this Mr. bottle right here, and I'm just going to dampen my hair a little bit just to make sure that my mask can be distributed evenly. This is gonna be a messy mask. Like, this is gonna be a messy mask. So grab a t-shirt, an old t-shirt, and yeah, just make sure you're not wearing anything nice, because this is gonna smell bad. And it's going to be gooey. So hey, it's not worth it if you are not one for DIYs and stuff. Oh, this is gliding through my hair, except it smells like armpit. Aloe vera literally smells like armpit. I had this in my kitchen sipping out, and I was just like, what the heck is that smell? And then I didn't remember that I had aloe vera gel out. But I am gonna say that this applies very nicely. Like, it's slimy, but I mean, it just has good slip to it, so it just kind of glides right through your hair. So I like how it's applying so far. This is actually very nice. So the reason why I'm using aloe vera gel is because It has some awesome benefits. So if you're someone who suffers from dandruff or sebderm, it's the same thing, seborrheic dermatitis, you can definitely use this because it does have anti-inflammatory properties to it. Yeah, it also has vitamins A, C, and E, and these are very good for promoting cell turnover and healthy hair growth. So it's basically an awesome thing to use on your hair. It promotes shine as well as hair growth, and yeah, it also improves blood circulation to your scalp, which is what I read online. So all of these things are very wonderful. So if you can just look past the smell, then, and actually I think this is a treatment that I would definitely do again, just because I'm not having a hard time rubbing this through my hair, and I know the awesome benefits that it has. So I mean, I'm willing to put up with this scent, anything for beautiful healthy hair. So yeah, it has some awesome properties to it. So if you've never given this natural mask a try, then go right ahead. And aloe vera is very, sometimes you might have it growing in your backyard like I did. So it's very affordable, and you can apply any oil of your choice, but just you can apply any oil of your choice. Just make sure it's one that's gonna penetrate the hair shaft. And yeah, so just gonna apply this. So far so good. So far I'm actually liking this DIY. I was honestly a bit scared because I was just like, oh my gosh, what am I doing? Like, this stinks. I don't know if it's going to be worth it, but the benefits are awesome. I think it's gonna be well worth it. And it's also just fun to do DIY masks. When you do stuff yourself, I think it's always a fun little experiment. Now, if you're not a DIY person, then that's completely fine. This is not for you. But for those of us who love to experiment, try different things, then go right ahead. If you live on an island like me, you're more than likely gonna have this growing wild somewhere in your backyard, in somebody's backyard. Just grab a piece. Like, this is everywhere. So yeah, that's the perks. I'm really enjoying this mask. It's very therapeutic to just rub this through my hair. I don't know, I'm having fun. I think this is a cool mask. And if I feel like I see some results from this, then I'm definitely going to be, I think I might just start doing aloe vera masks maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks. I think I could do this once a week. This is definitely not anything that's like taxing. It doesn't take long. So yeah. Also, something to bear in mind is always do a patch test. Aloe vera can cause an allergic reaction in some people. I know that when you're cutting the gel away from the skin, your skin can tend to get itchy sometimes. So just be mindful. I mean, that doesn't mean that you're allergic to it. I think that maybe it's some enzyme in the aloe vera gel that's probably causing the itchiness when you peel the gel away from the skin. But apart from that, like, I don't have any issues with it, but just check it out before you apply it to your whole head, especially if you're rubbing it on your scalp. So just be mindful of that. applied all the aloe vera gel in my hair, and now I'm just going to go through with what's left and just smooth down right here, massage it into my scalp, and just rub the rest on my ends. So it's all in there. And now finally, I'm just going to add this to my roots, and then I'm going to pin this up. So I'm probably expecting this treatment to be stiff in the morning if it acts anything like regular aloe vera gel. But I will show you how my hair looks when I rinse this out, and also let you know how it's feeling. But I'm excited about this. I think I'm actually going to start doing this weekly, because this was not hard and I really enjoyed doing this. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like it, give this a thumbs up, give it a heart on Instagram if you're watching it on Instagram, and share it with anybody you know who might benefit from this type of hair mask, because it's awesome for all hair types. And yeah, so thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.